Hi students, welcome to my channel Unit of Life. I hope you all are good. If you are new in my channel, then please subscribe the channel and join the family of Unit of Life and improve your knowledge. Then let's start. Today's lesson is plant tissue. In this chapter, first things, what is tissue? So, tissue is the cell with similar structure and function are grouped together. This group of similar cells are called tissue. In multicellular organisms such plant and animals, the cells with similar structure and function are grouped together, and this is group of cells performing a particular function. Those group of similar cells are called tissue. In multicellular organisms like plants and animals, a particular function is leading by some group of cells together. And in this chapter, we will learn about different type of plant tissue and their function. First, the tissue is divided into two. One is plant tissue and another is animal tissue. And in this chapter, you will learn about different type of plant tissue and their function. So, plant tissue. So, what is plant tissue? Those tissue helps to constitute plant body called plant tissue. It means the structural and functional unit of the plant is called the plant tissue. It means the structural and functional unit of plant body is called plant tissue. So plant tissue is divided into first of two. One is meristematic tissue and another is permanent tissue. Then further, meristematic tissue is divided into three. It's apical meristematic tissue, lateral meristematic tissue and intercalary meristematic tissue. And permanent tissue first divided into two, simple permanent tissue and complex permanent tissue. And secondly, simple permanent tissue is divided into two. It's protective simple permanent tissue, supporting simple permanent tissue. Then supporting simple permanent tissue also divided into three. It's parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. And complex permanent tissue is divided into two, xylem and phloem. Then we discuss about meristematic tissue. So first of what is meristematic tissue? All those cells are capable cell division for plant growth in length as well as diameter. Those type of tissue are called meristematic tissue. So the group of actively dividing cell of plant who are promote plant growth in length as well as width or diameter. উদ্ভিদের হাইট অ্যান্ড ডায়ামিটার ইনক্রিজ করতে হেল্প করে যে প্লান্ট টিস্যু তাকে আমরা বলবো মেরিস্টেমেটিক টিস্যু। An initial stage of embryonic growth also promoted by meristematic tissue. This type of cell are divide rapidly and continuously as a result of which the plant gain height, and this group of actively dividing cells from the meristematic tissue. The general characters or general features of meristematic tissue are this type of tissue are small in size and their cell wall is very thin and have a large nucleus present in this tissue. Meristematic tissue are three types: apical meristematic tissue, intercalary meristematic tissue, and lateral meristematic tissue. So first, apical meristematic tissue. Apical meristematic tissue present in root and shoot tips of the plants. And this type of meristematic tissue helps in increase the length of plant. Second, lateral meristematic tissue. Its present side of root and shoot helps to increase breadth or width or diameter of the plant. As a tree gains height, the diameter of its stem also increase. The tree gain thickness because of meristematic tissue present on the lateral side of the root and stem. So this tissue is called lateral meristematic tissue because lateral meristematic tissue present the lateral side of root and stem. And this tissue is called also lateral meristematic tissue or cambium. It is responsible for the increase of the thickness of the root and stem. And third of intercalary meristematic tissue. It's present the intranode portion of the plant. And it is helped to increase the length of root and shoot. Now we discuss about permanent tissue. Those tissue are not capable for cell division. If they are living, then the division is the time being, or the cell is dead, then they stop division. It means the permanent tissue are not capable for further cell division. Hence, they are called permanent tissue. Such a tissue comprises the cells in which growth has either stopped or completely or for the time being. It means এই ধরনের টিস্যু হয় সেল ডিভিশন টোটালি বন্ধ হয়ে গেছে বা নির্দিষ্ট সময়ে তা হয়। ওকে, the new cells formed by the division of meristematic tissue elongated and on maturity get differentiated to perform specific function. So meristematic cell divisioner ফলে উৎপন্ন টিস্যু বড় হয়, একটা সময় গিয়ে ম্যাচুরিটি হয়, and then it's perform the different specific function, and this type of tissue is called permanent tissue. And such tissue are not capable for cell division. So it's called permanent tissue. Permanent tissue is two types. First of simple permanent tissue and second of complex permanent tissue. And simple permanent tissue further divided into two. One is protective tissue and another is supporting tissue. Protective tissue are present in epidermis. It means this type of tissue are protected or covering the plant and protected from the external influence. Okay, and the protective tissue mainly present in the epidermis. And the epidermis is generally made up of a single layer closely packed cell, and the outer wall of the epidermis is usually thick and covered with cutin. Cutin reduce of water. Cutin actually some waxy layer present the outer portion of the epidermis. Okay, and so it protect the plant body from external influence. So second of supporting tissue. Supporting tissue is further divided into three. It's parenchyma, then collenchyma and sclerenchyma. For your better understand, I differentiate three different type of tissue together. Okay, So according to general character, three different type of tissue, parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma, have the character. First of parenchyma cell wall are very thin cell wall, but collenchyma cell wall is thick and sclerenchyma cell wall also thick. Parenchyma is living tissue. Collenchyma also living tissue, but sclerenchyma is permanently dead tissue. This parenchyma and collenchyma living cell, but they can't cell dividing. In some time, they also cell dividing. Third, the shape of parenchyma cell is if oval or cylindrical. Collenchyma cell shape is circle or polygonal, and sclerenchyma is hexagonal in shape. Intracellular space means space present between two closed cells. So parenchyma have intracellular space, but collenchyma and sclerenchyma are not intracellular space. Means there have no space between two cells. Okay. Parenchyma have some special cell called chlorenchyma. This type of parenchyma cell contain with chloroplast and which are capable for photosynthesis. Okay, so this type of parenchyma tissue is called collenchyma. Parenchyma tissue are mostly found in the root, stem and leaf. And then collenchyma is according to found to the epidermis of the young stem and petioles of the leaves, and sclerenchyma are founded in the stem and vines of the leaves. Okay, then complex permanent tissue. Complex permanent tissue is made up of two or more type of cells that are specialized to perform a common function. Means there have specially two function, but it's very common of whole plant. Okay. So complex permanent tissue are mainly two types. One is xylem, another is phloem. The xylem is mainly called the water conducting tissue or water conducting plant tissue. Xylem are provided water from root to whole body by whole part of the plant. Mainly xylem and phloem together called also conducting tissue. Xylem conduct water upward from the root to the shoot system, and phloem is called food conducting tissue of plant. It transport food materials from leaves to other part of the plants. Xylem is composed by vessels, tracheids, xylem parenchyma and fibers. Other-handed, phloem is composed by sieve cell, phloem fiber, phloem parenchyma and companion cell. The xylem, it is made up mostly dead cell. So the xylem cell are not able to further cell division. Phloem cell is made up of living cell, but these cells are not capable for cell division. So xylem is dead cell. Its cell division is permanently stopped, but phloem is living cell. Its cell division are time being. Xylem, it was located the inner side of the vascular bundle, and phloem is located the outer side of the vascular bundle. Xylem and phloem together are called vascular bundle, and this vascular bundle, xylem is present the core by inner portion and phloem is located the outer portion of the vascular bundle. and xylem and phloem together constitute also vascular system of the plant body. Xylem and phloem tissue extended from the tips of root to the tips of leaves. It means the xylem and phloem tissue are together form vascular bundle, and this vascular system or vascular bundle is extended from root tips to leaf tips. It means শেকড় থেকে পাতা পর্যন্ত বিস্তৃত রয়েছে xylem and phloem tissue together of vascular bundle. সেই vascular system পাতা থেকে শেকড় পর্যন্ত বা শেকড় থেকে পাতা পর্যন্ত বিস্তৃত রয়েছে. The arrangement of xylem and phloem is different in stem and root. I hope you all are understood. If you have any query, then comment me as soon as I reply it. So, goodbye. Stay healthy and safe. See you soon in another new video.